What's up, y'all? So, first of all, damn it. What's up, y'all? So, first of all, let me put my seatbelt on. And, hello! It's freaking Monday. And we're off to get some work done real quick on a 240. So, just give you a heads about what we got going on today. Today is the day we do some brakes on a 240. Now, I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in. For those who are tuning in, please, if it's your first time on this channel, go ahead and give me a like or subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video and definitely comment. If you don't see the comments active, let me know by sending me a message on social media. Instagram, Hollywood Black, at Hollywood Black, HOLLYBLAK on IG. Now, I guess I get right into it, man. I'm actually gonna go to my boy's shop right now and get some work done on 240. The car is officially in the shop and is officially supposed to start getting some work done. When will it be done? No idea, but I do know one thing. I'm excited because it's about to get work done. I think one thing that I realized is that having a 2-car garage is dope, but when you have a 2-car garage and you have a whole bunch of like crap, it kind of defeats the purpose of having a 2-car garage. Because my garage turns more so a storage space instead of a car workspace. I realize that when I have one car in the garage, it's so much better to get work done compared to when I have 2 cars in the garage. When I have 2 cars in the garage, especially when one does not move on its own power, it kills my motivation to do work. Period. So, the car being at my boy's shop is currently on the lift, and I'm going to do the brakes. I have to install the brake booster. I have to install the master cylinder for the clutch and the master cylinder for the brakes, and I have to run the brake lines for the front part of the brakes. Crap. I had wanted to also bleed the brakes, but I don't think I'll be able to do that today because I left the damn tool at home. God damn it! But it's all good. We're gonna try to make the best of the situation. If anything, I'll just go back another day and try to get that done. At least I want to get the brakes hooked up for tonight. I don't think I'll be able to get the brakes bled tonight anyway, just because of time. So, but I'll see you guys in a bit. We're driving over there right now. I need to go ahead and pay attention to the road because Florida drivers are crazy. See you guys in a bit. All right, yo. So we went to my boy's shop and about to start some work on this bad boy. Dang, man. Freaking 240 goodness. But before we work on that, we're gonna check out, which is right here. Wrong way. Woo, look at this S120! 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 So, check it out. My boy's been building this car for a long fucking time. And he is finally, well, he's getting done with it. But he's finally putting the last finishing touches on it. And it's actually running. So let's go ahead and get synopsis of the car. So first of all, the car is an SR hatch 240SX, big turbo, VVL head, Mazworks stuff, freaking big ass fan, a bunch of stuff going on over there. I'm gonna explain just now, but this thing is raw, man. And he's talking about 800 horsepower. This thing. Can you imagine 800 horsepower in this damn car? It would be crazy. This big ass turbo. Holy moly. Check it out though. Master cylinder right here, brake master cylinder, and then he has this clutch master cylinder going into his brake master. I've never seen this before. It's mind boggled me. Like, I don't understand like how this even works, but they made it work somehow. He said that I don't know what he did to make it work, but it's fire. So check it out. The car is insane. So I'm gonna go and do a quick little montage of the motor setup because this is freaking hotness. All right, so it's back to this bad boy and getting this thing down on the lift and doing some work to it. And here's the master mechanic, the master motherfucking man himself, about to go fuck some other shit up. Say hi, Graham.
Hi, Graham.
All right, cool. So yeah, Graham about to go do some work, do some other stuff, and we're gonna work on this freaking piece of freaking crap. All right, before I start working on it though, I want to actually show you guys some things. So, check it out. Most people don't know, but I got a stock diff inside here. Open diff. Stock open diff, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what I was doing. I don't know what I was thinking, but stock open diff. You got AN fuel lines going all the way down this bad boy. We have a flex fuel sensor right here, and we have, I don't know, remember what fuel filter this is, but it's a fuel filter for 85 fuel and all that good stuff. This time I actually plan on doing power steering, so I want to work on that. That's one of the plans I want to do. We'll see how the manifold, like, I guess, angles, and hopefully I can do it. If not, it is what it is. But what else? Oh, 10 inner and outer tie rods on both ends. This is an OEM steering rack, and we're gonna do some brakes today. So I have to actually put the brake booster in and also put the master cylinder in, and then run the lines, which are gonna go through here and then come down here. These are the old lines right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they are jacked. And whatever you guys do, man, if you guys ever building a car, make sure you pick your painter wisely, because I don't know, the person who's painting this car did not do a good job with masking stuff. So yeah, let's get to work. What the hell is going on here? Oh, another thing. Don't be stupid like me and jack your car up from this part of the freaking front of your end, or the front of, don't be stupid and jack your car up from this part of the car. That's a big no-no. Something that I learned after the fact, but thank God I didn't bend this here too bad. But let's get to work.
Back, I won't be going long. Yep, kicking on, which is pretty sweet. Yeah, it's not laggy, bro. I'm building like all the boosts way before 5K.
That's good.
Yeah.
Definitely a race car.
Yeah, it's gonna be you in a few weeks. Your shit rattles and bangs too. It's a S13. That's what they do. Pay attention when it hits 5K.
Holy shit!
Yeah.
Holy fuck! What the fuck?
Yeah. It's like nitrous.
All right, got a decent amount done. Had to, I freaking fought with the brake booster. I won't talk about it, but got the brake booster on, got the master cylinder on, and I got all my wires pulled out. So here, it's got the wires pulled out. They're now mocked up. I have to clean this up a little bit, put some wire loom on it, just make it look a lot cleaner than what it's looking like right now. Then the engine harness right here, this is all tucked inside here in this hole. So I pull this whole thing out. I'm gonna kind of wipe it down a little bit because it has a little bit of overspray on it.
put this here just so you know.
Thanks, my guy.
Yeah, it's a shelf.
Brake booster is good to go, and the clutch master cylinder is good to go. So now I have to put the brake booster is good to go. I gotta put the brake master cylinder on, which is in my trunk, and then connect all the lines up, bleed everything, and that should be good to go. So didn't really get everything I want to get done, but I did get a ride in my buddy's cool S13 with a VBL swap. That feels insane. So about to put this bad boy back up on the lift and call it a wrap for tonight. All right. Hopefully we get some more stuff done. I don't know when, but we'll see how shit goes. Calling a wrap for tonight. And please, if it's the first time watching the video, definitely go ahead and subscribe, like this video. Make sure you go ahead and comment and let me know what you think about the 240. Got a lot of work to do, but overall it's coming together pretty good. And can't wait to have it back on the road. Right, Graham?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Is your tag good? You have a tag?
Nope.
Nope. Insurance? Nothing?
Nothing. Well, it's actually insured, but on a non-driving policy. But that's it, man.